Hi. So this video is going to be a short one where I'm going to talk about the things which I did in past 5 to 6 months. So firstly I would start that I have finished my second semester in philosophy. As you guys probably know that I am doing masters in it. Yeah, so it is done and two more semesters are there. Meanwhile I also cleared the gate exam. As you also know that nowadays humanities people can also give gate. So I tried to give it and I cleared it. It wasn't a big deal for me because I never studied philosophy, to be honest, and it had some maths and reasoning questions which I already excel in my past exams. So yeah, it was not a difficult paper for me, but to be honest an easy one. And yeah, I cleared it. But even after clearing it, it gave me no satisfaction because I never really thought of doing PhD from the very beginning. But it gave me a option to do something in future. So yeah, it helped me in some way so that I can feel that I can also do something in life. It gave me some power, that some sort of a gratification that I am knowledgeable. But my relation with philosophy is very different, and I'm not very sure that I pursue philosophy after this, because I'm not really enjoying the way philosophy is doing. And I was never a really academic kind of a person who thinks philosophy academically rather than uh, doing something like inherently, like physically and mentally. Rather, I believed in that more. So yeah, so I might drop in between, or I would do something else, or I might just continue. I don't know what should I be doing after this. But now I have 2 months to think of it. So yeah, that was the first one. Second is, I got reminded myself that I wrote something about myself in the first week of January about what I should be doing in 2025, sort of a aim which I should achieve, so to better myself. And I remember that I wrote few points about uh, speaking skills, and I think I should come here more and try to speak about myself, because I believe that there is a difference between the things I think and the things I speak, and it needs to be bridged so that I can explain the things which are in my mind. So yeah, in that case I should be coming more frequently here, so that I would I would certainly feel good about myself. Also also if I have a platform where I can speak of myself, then I should grab it and pursue it rather than put it sideways and forget it. And also I'm thinking to like do something new, because as I said that I have like 2 months of gap where I can do anything. So yeah, I'm thinking that I should learn few tricks and like courses. I always wanted to like learn a lot of things because I am never sticked to one thing in my life. I like painting, I like sports, I like science stuff, like everything. To be honest, I am very diversified kid, and for me, one thing is never satisfactory. So yeah, I'm thinking to maybe sort of challenging myself to put myself uh, accustomed for one thing for a week. So yeah, I'm thinking to do that. Maybe the next video, which is going to come in next week, I would do something certainly. Right now, I'm thinking whether I should do some sketching or maybe try to like learn photography something. But yeah, in the next week, I would certainly come with a new video where I would put timeline of how I achieved something out of it. Like, I want to practice something, and for that I need to put some efforts. So yeah, I think I would do that, and it will also help me to come forward in the camera. So, and also talk the things which I did in past few challenges. So yeah, it will help me in every possible ways. So yeah, so that's it. That was a small recap, also the things which I want to do in future. So that's it, and I hope that everyone is doing well, and I am certainly not okay, but I think I will be okay. So yeah, bye bye, take care.